This lecture will cover the creation of all the InfoProviders required for our application. We will create the following objects. You'll create an actual volumes OpenDSO called tvol_v00. We will create a planned volumes DSO tvol_a20, a planned revenues aDSO trev_a10, and a planned prices aDSO trpc_a10. We will cover the creation of a single aDSO for planning, and the rest can be created based on the info object list provided on page 5 of the guide. Once we've created our aDSOs, we will create 2 composite providers and allocate our aDSOs and OpenDS views to those composite providers. So let's create our aDSO. Now I've already created all the content, and in this case I'm going to create a tvol_a201 for demonstration purposes. So there's 2 places we can create our DSO. The first is we can right click on our info area, say new, and select DataStore Object Advanced. Or if we already have created aDSOs, simply click on the folder and select DataStore Object Advanced. I'm going to create tvol_a201. I'm going to call it planned volumes. And that's it. We're not going to use any templates. Then in the next screen, we can either select it and set our external SAP HANA view. So let's do that. And then we need to select the modeling properties. Now we want to select all characteristics as key and also planning mode. So as soon as we select all characteristics as key, we can actually select planning mode, or we can simply select from the model template planning on InfoCube like.